Welcome to Changing the Shape of Openings Using Templates. Changing the shape of the opening is the beginning of decorative matting. The possibilities are endless with Mat Designer's template library. We'll begin on the main screen of Mat Designer. Click New Mat Design. The new opening screen opens, where we will type in the opening. It will be an 8 by 11 with a 3-inch mat all the way around, and we'll make the reveal just a little bit less, and the mat design is finished. Now, to change the shape of the opening, click on the template icon in the middle. This opens up the template library where you can see all sorts of familiar shapes. Find a shape you want and click in the middle of it. In this case, we'll choose template number 102, the oval. When you click it, the opening shape becomes an oval. Let's take a look at some of the other choices that we have in the template library. Click on the template icon one more time to open the template library. On tab number 1, you'll see a number of common shapes. Tabs number 3 and 4 have all sorts of shapes with rounded elements. Tab number 5 has many recognizable decorative shapes. Tab number 6 has a number of shapes with geometric elements. Tab number 9 has openings that have extra openings for title blocks or drop downs or nameplates. Let's go to tab number 2 and pick the shape that we want for this example. We'll choose number 213. All the decorative shapes have parameters where you can alter the details of the shape. To access these parameters, click OK at the bottom to send the design to the Edit screen. When you're on the Edit screen, click the Properties tab. While we're here on the Properties tab, let's take a look at all the other things that we can change. We can, for instance, change the size of the opening. We can change the number of layers. We can change the size of the reveal. We can even click the Change Template button here and open up the template library to change the shape of the opening. At the bottom, though, is the Parameters tab. When you click it, you'll see a number of options at the bottom where you can change the decorative details. As I click the minus buttons here to make some of these details smaller, you'll see the design change. I'll click the minus button beside point height, and you can see it get smaller and smaller and smaller and disappear and turn inward instead of turning outward. If you have questions about exactly what these parameters adjust, beside the template ID number at the top left, there is a button with a question mark. Click it, and it opens the detail diagram. If you look at it, you can see an explanation of exactly what all of the template parameters change. Probably the most important thing, though, is where is the height and width measured? In this particular example, it's fairly important because, as you can see from the diagram, the decorative details could extend beyond the height and width, making your measuring a little bit different. As you are working on the design, you are able to keep the detail diagram right there so that you can refer to it. Also, if you want to close it, either click in the middle or click the X at the upper right-hand corner. If this short look at the template library makes you curious about other possibilities, go to wizardint.com. Click the Education tab and select Classes to see the other webinars regarding the template library. If you have questions, call us at 888-855-3335 or email us at wizardu@wizardint.com.